Welcome to our first lesson in the project management course. In this lesson, we will provide an overview of project management and discuss what makes it such an essential skill for businesses and organizations today. So, what exactly is project management? Project management is the practice of planning, executing, and closing work to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria within a time frame. It involves organizing resources, managing timelines, and ensuring that project objectives are met. Think of a project management as the art and science of getting things done efficiently, whether it's a launching a new product, organizing an event, or implementing a business strategy. Project management is what drives success. Project management has become a critical discipline because organizations are increasingly relying on structured approaches to complete complex tasks. Without effective project management, projects can easily fail due to poor planning, lack of coordination, or resource issues. In this course, you will learn the skills, tools, and techniques needed to become an effective project manager. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified of our latest videos.